is not going to beat us, all right? She is currently the challenge champion when it comes to sweet stuff. You guys have been training for this your entire lives, right? You guys ready to beat Mommy at the Pop-Tart challenge?
Yeah.
All right, let's get this party started. Ah. All right, so you guys got your plates. You got your blindfold. I got 21 different flavors of Pop-Tarts. That's a plate. That's a plate. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. All right, you guys ready to do this?
Yeah.
Who's gonna beat Mommy?
Me.
All right, one person, two person. How about you? You gonna beat Mommy?
Oh, I am Mommy. I am the V Mommy.
All right, you guys ready? All right, so here's the way it's gonna work. Kaysen, you're all gonna take a bite on the same time. Kaysen's gonna guess first, then Daylin, then Mommy. Youngest to oldest. All right, you've got Pop-Tart number 1 in front of you. Go ahead and take a bite. Tell me what it is.
S'mores. S'mores.
Mommy?
It really tastes like s'mores.
S'mores. Hang on.
All right, Pop-Tart number 2.
Yeah.
That's gross.
Oh, my answer.
Kaysen goes first.
Pumpkin, raspberry cake, or cherry cake, something like that.
Raspberry cake?
Yeah,
To me, it smells like a soda. I'm gonna go with an orange soda.
It's gross, it's gross, it's gross. Okay.
Pop-Tart number 3.
Oreo? I already know it, I already know
Alright, what's your guess?
it. Oreo? I already know it.
What?
It's my favorite. It's definitely cookie dough. Cookie dough.
I'm gonna go with cookies and cream.
I mean cookies and cream, yeah.
You can't change it.
It's cookies and cream.
Can Mommy have some milk?
Well, Mommy, you're in luck because the guys over at Donkey Cup actually knew that you were gonna. Here, you can have that. Actually knew that you were gonna need some milk this challenge from watching the last challenge, and they sent you a prize.
Wait, I don't know.
Wait, there's not actually any milk in there. I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that back.
Oh, cool.
But we have an extra one, so if you guys want one, let us know in the comments. We'll send you this one.
Yay!
Put your blindfold back on.
I want whatever it is.
No.
We're gonna keep one. We're gonna keep one and give one away. 'Cause that's the nice thing to do.
They actually have something cool inside of them, which no one take your blindfold off.
No one keep tape.
I would be keeping these for myself. Shh. No. All right, Oreo number 4.
It's not an Oreo.
4. Oh wait, it's not an Oreo. Pop-Tart number 4.
So, root beer. Root beer. I can just taste it. Root beer.
Taste it.
Root beer.
I'm gonna go with vanilla latte.
Pop-Tart number 5. What's in front of you, Daylin? What are you? That thing back on.
This is a classic. What? I'm gonna go with cherry.
Cake.
Oh wait, I'm not supposed to say it first.
Cake.
Kaysen says it's cake.
I think it's the normal one. I mean, whatever it's called, the normal one.
What do you mean the normal one? Pick a flavor.
Like, is it cherry? It's the normal one. It's the normal Pop-Tart, cherry or something like that.
Pop-Tart number 6.
I know what this one is. Kaysen, you go first. First guess.
I can't know.
You can't know? What do you think? If you had to make up a flavor, what would your flavor be?
Chocolate candy cake.
Okay. I think that one is root beer.
Pop-Tart number 7.
I don't know what this one is.
Brownie.
You know a brownie? What's your guess, Dylan?
Chocolate fudge brownie. Wait, actually.
I'm gonna go with hot chocolate.
All right. It's hard to breathe in that thing. I mean, nothing. I've been just watching you guys.
Breathe what thing?
Pop-Tart number 8.
Oh, just a type of berry.
Yep, tastes like a berry.
Berry. Different.
We all say berry.
No, I don't say berry. Wild berry. Wild berry.
Number 9.
Chocolate chip. Me and Kaysen.
What do you think?
I said chocolate. I think it's chocolate chip too.
Chocolate chip.
It really tastes like it.
Pop-Tart number 10. Whoa, you almost got me. There you go.
No, I don't
don't like it.
But I know what it is. What do you think it is, Kason? What does it taste like?
Ugh. It's like apple.
Is it not very good?
It's a fruit.
Is it not good?
I put fruit in my Pop-Tart.
It tastes like sour apple.
I'm gonna go with what do you say it is?
Sour apple.
Caramel apple.
Pop-Tart number 11. Go, 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 go. What do you think? Daylin doesn't look like he likes it at all.
What do you think? What do you think?
I like raspberry.
What do you think? I think it's cherry. I think I was wrong with the other one. I think the other one was strawberry. I think that was cherry.
Pop-Tart number 11 or 12. I don't know. Counting's hard. I think it's 12.
Yes. 11.
Nope, it's definitely 12.
This one's really good.
I have no idea.
Yeah,
It's something coffee.
I'm gonna go with something coffee.
Me too. I feel like it's actually from Dunkin' Donuts.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Number 13.
Strawberry.
What do you think it is, Daylin?
I think it's blueberry.
I think it's blueberry too.
Pop-Tart number 14. Hey, wait, no, that's not yours. No, stop it. Hey.
I have one.
I know this flavor. This is my favorite flavor of something.
It's like a Jolly Rancher.
Yup. What flavor though?
Watermelon. The green.
Yeah!
Watermelon.
It's a watermelon Jolly Rancher.
Watermelon Jolly Rancher.
All right, there you go. Pop-Tart number 15.
Cinnamon bun.
Cinnamon bun. Cinnamon roll.
You just gotta be different there.
Well, I hate to break it to you, but Daylin was the only one that got it right. Oh, good job.
Cinnamon roll and
What?
cinnamon
Hey, but
bun
you
are the
guys
same
got
thing.
half a point for that one.
What?
Pop-Tart number 16. No one bite my finger.
Cinnamon roll.
You think it's cinnamon roll?
Yeah. All I can think of is
What do you
cinnamon.
think it is?
I think
You
it's
think cinnamon?
cinnamon.
I think it's cinnamon too.
Number 17.
I forgot what it's called. The caramel, the sour apple. Caramel sour apple.
That's a thing.
Caramel sour. I mean the candy apple thing. The caramel on. What that?
Oh,
What
dude.
caramel candy apple?
Caramel apple.
Candy caramel apple.
Candy caramel apple.
Pop-Tart number 18.
I don't think I can handle any more Pop-Tarts. Tastes like
Ooh. Mommy knows.
what? Me.
You guess. I'll give you a hint. It's a Thanksgiving flavor.
I think it's pumpkin flavor.
You do.
Me too.
I think it's. What do you? Final answer. Pumpkin what?
Pumpkin pie.
Okay. What do you think it is?
Pumpkin pie.
I'm gonna go for pumpkin pie.
Okay, guys, this is actually the last one because I just realized that Mommy's been sneaking Pop-Tarts behind our backs and we're missing 4 boxes. So,
Totally.
this is
true.
the last round of the Pop-Tart challenge. That's why you're doing so good. You've been sneaking the Pop-Tarts the whole time.
so long. They've just been staring at me.
Because she was hungry.
Oh, she was hungry.
I was hungry.
Are you alright, dude? Are you okay? Too much sugar in your system? You're just going crazy? Alright, what's everybody's answer on the final Pop-Tart?
Cherry.
Strawberry.
Well, you all got it wrong. It was raspberry.
Who wins?
Eddie has Pop-Tarts on his face.
Oh, I wasn't eating Pop-Tarts behind you. I wasn't eating them, but you were blindfolded. I wasn't doing anything behind your backs either. Don't even worry about that. Alright, so you guys want to know who won this thing?
Yeah.
Everybody else already knows the answer because they're looking right here. Like the score's right here. But
Fine.
we'll start with Kason. Thumbs up the video right now if you think Kason won.
I was the winner.
Yeah, you're the winner.
Dave's the loser and Mommy is.
Alright, so Kason got 8 flavors correct. Good job,
Wow,
buddy.
that's awesome.
Let me hang again. That's cool.
Don't
Alright.
leave Mommy hanging.
Daylin got 10 and a half flavors correct.
Heck yeah.
Shoot ya.
What, Bob?
In the undisputed, what's the word I'm trying to say?
Undisputed.
Undisputed Snack Challenge Champion of the World! The undisputed Snack Challenge Champion, the undefeated Snack Challenge Champion of the Funhouse! Pop-Tarts right. But we're going to disqualify her 1 point for eating 4 boxes of Pop-Tarts because she already knew all the flavors, so Daylin's the winner!
And you.
In case it's a winner too.
You're runner-up.
So
And Mommy.
go ahead and thumbs up the video, guys. We will catch you guys next time. There's a like a subscribe button thing down here. Go ahead and hit that and click on these videos here on the sides. And we will catch you next time. Bye!
Bye!